Making cardboard roll flowers is an easy activity to use up toilet rolls or paper towel rolls lying around. Press the cardboard tube to make it semi-flat. Cut the roll into strips. If you are going to paint, this is a good time to do it. Then let it dry. Add glue and glitter to your petals and leaves. Glue the petals together. Make the center of the flower, called a pistil, and glue this on. You can use old buttons or make the pistil out of old cardboard and add some glue and glitter. Glue the flower to the stem. Glue the leaves to the stem. A great way to display or gift your flowers is to put them in a jar with sand.